Oh man, spot's been empty for a couple days now.
What's up guys, it's me Eric B, and if you haven't noticed by the large bare spot in my garage, the bike is gone. So sold the Gixxer 600, don't have her anymore. I don't even feel like I gave it a proper farewell. I didn't even do a last ride video. But the thing is, so I woke up not expecting to sell it that day, but it just happened. Everything happened so quickly, and it's gone. So we're gonna head out now. We're gonna pick up the new one, gonna do a reveal for you guys. So let's see what we got. And we're back. So back from getting a bike, and it's gonna be awesome. I think you guys are gonna like it. I just want to appreciate everybody that's jumped on the channel and saw the polls, kind of put in their input and everything on it. Like I said, you guys saw it. I looked at, R1s, Gixxer 1000s, even an S1000RR and a Supermoto. So without further ado, I don't want to have a long video before I actually talk about the bike, so let's just get to it. All right, drum roll. I don't have any drumsticks, so I'm using my feet. And here it is. 2017 GSXR 1000. So who guessed right? Who guessed right? That's right, I'm saying Team Suzuki. This is it, guys. Picked this one up, really great deal. Clean, great condition. I was really looking for a blue one. You guys know me, I like loud colors, so my last bike was yellow. I wanted to get the blue one, but couldn't find what I wanted, so I'm going with matte gray, or charcoal gray, I think is this what it's called. Want your guys' opinion on something. So I like the red wheels, or maroon, whatever color this is. I don't know if I want to stay with it. I think I'm gonna powder coat these wheels like a yellow or neon yellow or something like that. Kind of almost like the Yamaha MT10 or the FZ09, how they have the yellow wheels with the dark gray color. So yeah, just let me know down in the comments below if you think I should keep it red, or should I go on ahead and powder coat them a yellow color. I think it'd look pretty cool. All right, so the awesome thing about this bike is that it came with a couple goodies on it. So it has a Yoshimura Alpha slip-on exhaust. I plan to do a full exhaust upgrade in the future. Not right now, but this exhaust does sound pretty good. It also came with a quick shifter. Now the R model comes with it, and the base model does not, but it was added on here. And man, this thing shifts like a dream. It has a quick shifter and auto blipper. So yeah, it's awesome. I love it. The ECU was also flashed by Sport Bike Unlimited. So I have that going for it. And I think that is all. Oh, we got some tech spec tank grips and stuff right there, as you can see. It just looks awesome. All right, so let me turn it on for you guys real quick. I love this dash. So another good thing about the dash, you guys always know I talk about in my first ride videos, is having a shift indicator. And I'm finally glad that I have one, so I know what gear I'm in. Also has a fuel gauge, miles till empty, and that's pretty awesome. And then it has 3 rider modes. So A mode is supposed to be the ludicrous mode for this thing, for the ECU tuning. I typically keep it in B just to save some gas. And yeah, I do plan to do a first ride on this bike for you guys. So stay tuned for that. I'll try to get that out as soon as I can. But let me start her up for you. She's already been warmed up, so give her a couple revs. be seeing her a lot more on the channel. I knew I said I was gonna keep the 600, but hey, you know, stuff happens. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can stay up on all of my latest content. But as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.